Hey guys, sound check. There was some tech issues, so we're a little bit late. Guys, can you hear me? No? Good, thank you. Thank you, Scott. What's up? So a little bit late today. Don't worry. Still have enough time. Um, how many people are here now? Just wave me so I see that we have few people here. I want to show something, and if I don't have any, I don't have problem to do one-on-one with Scott, but let's see if there's. Hey Roy, hey Mayor. So we don't have a lot of time. Let's put maybe a minute for something that probably 99% of you are not doing is daily report card. And just let you know the stock that we did yesterday. So there was some winner, big, and I'm going to show you. There were some losers, which we can say, but basically the most we lost them is 1 unit, some of them even half. If you remember again, um, the last trade we did was coin here. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, coin. You remember? 297, guys. Let it go. Amazing. Almost 8 point, like higher low, whatever. Amazing. Our TGT. Now you remember um, around this level here, somebody said, I said it's too high to stop it. Now we need to wait. So I waited. Where did I waited? The most amazing place around here. Reversal, stop a view up, just let it go. Okay? And we had a loss in AMD, which was again the market decided. I think where was it? Where was it? I think around here. I don't remember. Like it was a really quick trade. Sorry, no, not AMD, MU. Yeah. I think it was around here, and the stop was somewhere around here, and we actually the market went down out. VKTX. Um, we shorted here and we break and came back and came back and came back, and I told you I don't like this because it needs to do the capitulation down, so we reduce and we lower the stop here, and the stock went beautiful. Another one that I want to show you, and this is kind of related to those two trades, TAJR. Lunchtime, so doesn't matter where you are, sometimes you go. Okay, the trade doesn't need to go. So I'm going to show you is just thing that happened to me yesterday lunchtime. So lunchtime, I went out, TGT, got in here, stop here. I put another partial around this level here, the high, just half, and another half. Um, I just throw around 99, 70. I thought maybe it can get to 100. So I just randomly throw. I came around here, so I got out somewhere around here. But another one that will be also a trade for us today. That stock TAJR. Again, watch this level here and even watch it on 15 minutes. I don't think I need to say something. And I love those positions. Like stop doing something, going back to the upside, like waiting. So that was the entry. That was the stop. That was the thing. Now look at the potential here in the THWR today. Amazing momentum, second day momentum. TJT, second day momentum. VKTX, um, broke to the gap, went down. I have to watch it. So VKTX, TGT, THDR, and another one is CRWV. According to Mayor, I need to write those kind of things, so let's write it. Momentum. Okay, these are my candidates for today. I didn't see something else. If you have, let's add SoFi also. TAJR. What else? And CRWV. Okay, let me put everything. And PLTR, guys. Sorry. Add PLTR. I added in different chart. Let's put it here. PLTR. You have any question? Kind of, we're doing fast because market is starting now. Okay, let me do it quickly. Open. Okay, so THR, Apple, and good luck, guys. Well, market is tanking. Okay, we need some shorts. Yeah. High of THL 521. Above the high here. Stop gonna be the low of this candle. So 5. So 21 cents, guys. That's what I'm risking for THL. Okay? That's gonna be my first trade. Okay. 10 cent, 10 cent. Okay, now the game plan here is pretty simple. I don't want it to break 5 cents under, reducing 5 half position, stop again here. Okay? It need to work immediately. Okay, reducing half and out. Okay. Definitely we're gonna trade it probably again. But you don't take a chance on those kind of things. What's the high here? 530. Okay. Let's see, PLTR, VKTX, wow, everything is tanking. Tesla is pretty taking some. AMD, VKTX. The sound is bad. We're not talking. Yeah. TJT. I'm watching TJT here. Shit. 98, guys. Above 98. Let's say 98.05. Okay, our stop gonna be like 50 cents. Okay. 98.05. Okay, TGT is not ready. There is a small cap here, PTIX. What's the high? 450. That high here. Um, Look at the daily. Definitely, we have a lot of space here. I want to watch it. I want to see just a second on PLTR. 155.30. 155.30. Yeah, 80 cents. I want to see this level here. 155. Under 155.40. Let's see. Palantir. I have time to write. PTIX, guys. I want to do it above 450. Stop gonna be. I want to see what's gonna be the low of this one. Around 30 cents. Okay. PLTR. We have the PMI right now. TGT above 98. Here, where it is. Let me put TGT here. Above 98, I want to get in. And stop gonna be not more than 30 cents. Okay? I want to get here, 98, 30 cents stop. PLTR guys, in. DGT, I think it's not ready yet. PTIX guys, again, I want to do it over the high, 450. I'm going to give it 30 cents. Sometimes it's not really the technical one, like it need to go, and that's the level I'm willing to put. PLTR, still looking good. Got exactly to the close. We have a new low. Okay, good. 70 cents. Go, go, go. What's the low? What's nice about this is you remember what happened yesterday. So there is a huge opportunity here for a second day. So be patient. Okay, PTIX guys. Okay. PLTR going really good. Okay, 20 cents. I want to see more volume. I want to see more volume here, which is going pretty good. Okay. I'm watching it even on the 1 minute right now. Here I'm going to put it on 2 minutes. I'm watching on different charts. Next candle, I want to see it get it over 471. We have a good volume here. See, I like it. PLTR. Okay, we need to break this 154.57. Okay, let's do another push in PTIX. Right now, the low of this candle, this is my stop. Where it is? I'm watching it even on the 1 minute. I'm not going to give it a. My stop is, yeah, 430, 20 cents. Not changing it yet. We have good volume. I see the relative. We have the same volume that we have here. You see, this is the first move, 2.4 million shares. Here we have 2.3. Let's see if we have a. Oh yeah, 50 cents. We got exactly to the 5. For some reason, we didn't break, which is okay. Okay. So we are right now in PLTR, which is looking really good. Looking good, and PTIX looking really good. TGT is not relevant, it's going down. VKTX, I didn't see. PLTR looking good. Okay, we're getting again to the 5. If we're not going to break it, partial area. Yeah. Okay. Good. Goodwill 506. Okay, don't. If it's going under 498, take a partial. Okay, that's a good one. PLTR. Oh yeah, don't take a partial yet. If we're not breaking the low of the day here, that's the partial area, guys. That's a partial. Okay, partial. PLTR partial with my finger. PLTX partial. PTIX, sorry. PTX, I'm raising my stop under the entry. Few cents. PLTR, amazing. Okay, you're with me, guys, on those trades? Let's see. Guys, who took the PLTR? Who took the PTEX? Beautiful. You were late. Amir, Sophie, yes, fantastic. Of course it's fantastic. Who cares about Walmart? Roy, we're in good two trades. PTIX, thank you. Nice and green. Yeah, so you saw. THAR. We gave a chance. It didn't do the move. We reduce, boom, half lost. PTIX, let it go. PLTR, let it go. Again, I'm not intimidated, if there is a loss, just need to handle it, move on. PTIX, guys, don't think about even throwing everything because this is the weekly. Look at this. The potential here, if we see it, yeah, around 8, maybe getting to 10, who knows? I don't know. I don't care, but PLTR. PLTR, what we can do right now is, you know what? No, I'm still a little bit above the here. I'm keeping my stop. It's a good portion. And again, if we break this one, look at PLTR in 15 minutes because I want you to relate to yesterday. Okay, so we have another resistance around here. What's the level here? 154.50. Oh, we actually, no, sorry, 152.85. So this is area maybe for another partial we need to see. So write yourself this level. If we break it, let it fall. Okay? Okay. Yeah, I'm watching SoFi, but I don't know yet what to think about it. Like in the PTIX, I actually can feel, I saw the volume and yeah. Stop is around here, 446. Okay? PLTR, what's going on? It's good that we took a partial. Okay, that's the. Sorry, I'm in different charts. So we have some resistance around here. You see, this is why I kept still my stop, which is fine. Okay, I think the small cap issue is something that PLTR is long. No, we did it short. We short it here on the 155.40. We took a partial here, almost $1.50. We're still here. Our stop is around here. So you need to have a resilient mindset. Like when I started, whatever, I didn't watch the small cap, but um, this is another playbook that I like. Like what I did yesterday on this one, and I'm still gonna watch it. I don't know. Now it's under the view up. I don't want to touch it, but so what I'm saying is that this is another thing that I started to do in the last, I think, 2 years. Yeah, I'm adding, but I'm trading those small cap in a certain way. Again, just because it's a 4 point, it doesn't mean it influences my sizing. Um, but the potential is phenomenal now. Like it's not the sky is the limit, the cloud is the limit there, because sometimes you can make the move like, yeah. Okay, that was past simple. Let's still watch and look for something else. PTIX, we have a new high a little bit. Still in PLTR, have position. Okay, what else, guys? What are you watching? We have a good start, but we want more. LC, AMD. Yeah, but that's the problem that I have. Look at. I'm going to show you with AMD. Thank you. And I will go, Roy, in a second. I'm going to tell you what's bothering me. You have a big red candle here. You have a big green candle. You have a big green candle. You have like, I don't know. I'm not getting the sense. ALC. Let me see what is ALC. I'm not familiar with that stock. Okay. Roy, pre-market piece of crap, meaning nothing happened. 700,000 shares, probably there's no momentum. Maybe it will do, maybe not, but I'm a momentum. At this time, definitely I want to see a few millions and I want to see move at least in the pre so I can relate. This one here, no pulse. So for me, at least for me, again, always it's for me. Let's see UNH. Okay. UNH is interesting. See what happened here. Something happened on the pre. Almost 300. What's the. Not a big volume. PLTR, guys. What I want to do in PLTR, I want to add here under 155. And again, my stop is going to be here, the same stop. Under 155, guys, I want to add. Yeah, so far. Choppy start. Again, we need to be very selective with our stock. Really selective. Um, you have a new low here. AMD. Hey, Vidic, you're late. A few trades. We got now for the ad in PLTR. We got 155.40. We took a partial at the low of the day. We added right now. And stop is around here. Okay, I can live with that candle. You too, guys. It's a good candle. Okay. What's the low of the day? 53.80. Okay. Market, help us. AMD going down, Nvidia new low. This is why you need all those charts in front of you. Can do second chance here. I know it's under the view up. Let's do half position here. 450. Stop gonna be, yeah, 25 cents. Okay, TIGR. Oh, look at the market. Shit. It's gonna influence the PLTR for sure. Yeah. 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 PTX guys. New eye. Somebody still in that trade? Beautiful. Beautiful. Told you. What you can do is towards 6, you can throw an order, 590 something. Tesla is what? Head and shoulders. I don't know. I can't visualize. Tesla is too late. It's the The formation is too late. I don't know if it help you. Too late. Yeah, PLTR. Yeah, that was not successful. Yeah, this market, I knew it's gonna kill that trade. TAJL, I told you 450, 25 cents. Somebody mentioned Hood. Okay, 15 cents in TAJ now. I like it. That area, if we clean this, wow, PTIX. Okay, we need to clear this level here. Um, you see, because here all the things can happen. It can shrink all the way back down like it happened here. I don't know. So we need to see next candle if we're gonna get above 473. By 530, we're gonna get more. So we need to wait. I don't want to see it breaking the 450. I want to watch TGT just a second. Um, Not clear for me. Buzank, I took another partial in PTIX a little bit before 6. Okay? Taking FIG. Okay. Taking Tesla 393. Wow. Very late. But somebody mentioned FIG. I have a space for. Oh. FIG is piece of crap. This is not something you want to trade. What's going on there? Nothing. That's the answer. Nothing. And Tesla 323. No. Shit. I wrote myself. I'm following that stock. We need to go to see if it's getting PSKY. It's on my list. That's the area that I wanted to see. 1470. I had an alert and I didn't mention. I didn't look at it. I got an alert. So we need to correct. I'm watching that stock. We need some correction. 1510. Let's put it on our list. Pesky. That's a beautiful daily. Pesky. I got it like on my list when I'm watching again. Look at the beautiful. That's a beautiful. Here. Yeah. Let's watch it. 25 cents. 25 cents. TAJR, guys. Okay. We got 25 cents stop. We got 25. Getting under my entry. I'm reducing, of course, still keeping my head stop. Petsky. So you remember this one? We got it where somewhere like here, and I told you can get to 8, even more. So let's see. Volume increasing, looking amazing. Good trades. Oklo, Oklo. Oh, that looks nice. We need correction. Let's look at SMR. It's the sister. Sister is late. I want to watch the pesky one. Ah, not correcting. Okay, I'm starting to go to my screener to see. SRPT. SRPT. Look at this formation here. Let me see something immediately to see if there is a good volume relevant in SRPT. Lots of shorter, I know, yeah. 22%. Our vol over this. What's the pre-market? Want to see the daily. 1940, guys. 20-cent stop. That's what I want to do with SRPT. Okay. Um, SRPT. 20-cent stop. Ah, pesky. Why? I want to kill myself. Shit. Vitek, what's going on? What is your obsession with Tesla? Hope it's gonna work for you. It's not the formation I like. Yeah, and it's totally fine. It's not that only what I'm thinking is the best. No way. It's not. Everybody need to trade things that he like. I think it's a bit too late there, at least for me. So good luck for you. But don't start to sound desperate, okay? You have a stop and follow your plan. Good luck. THAR, we are doing a retest, okay? Exactly. 451. What was the high here? 482. What's the volume? I have to, let me put here the volume. Mm, not the most amazing one. We have a nice here, you know what? Above 582, I definitely can add if we keep in the 50. So for me, it's gonna be that's we have a nice uh, higher low. We have a nice triangle. We have good support here for the view up. If we break it, forget what I'm saying. If it's breaking that level here, great. Okay, P takes good that I take another partial. My stop now is here, somewhere around here. Maybe around the view up, we can actually add more. Guys, SRPT. Now, SRPT, it's pretty simple. You got 1940, you have 20 cents stop. Right now, you almost got 1 to 1. You have to size it correctly. Oh, pesky. I need to breathe. I was waiting for that stock and I got an alert, but since I was here in the room, I didn't pay attention to that. So SRPT, the potential is amazing, and if we're going to see some squeeze, the percentage can be phenomenal just because we risk only 20 cents. So think about if we get to the round number to the 20, we're going to be 60, so it's almost three times. And that's the key, guys. That's the key. The variety, I can do 20 cents. This one was a small stop. TGT yesterday, I think it was 80 cents or whatever. So, but the trading plan is the same. CRWV. Yeah. Okay, so PT looking good. Amen. So, no. PLTR gathered the stop. Stop was around here. Yeah. No, I'm not there. Sorry. So the first trade was good. I lost on the ads. I got positive in that trade, but not something huge. No, the big bars in the market just killed it. I'm happy about this ad, but okay, THAR. So game plan 482. I'm gonna add more. Final stop for everything is 445. If we break in, it's 482. If not, still the half stop is the same 25 cents. PTIX, guys. I want to see if we can actually add, or you can do a new trade there. In 5 minutes, it's not ready yet. Wow, guys, look at this. Who took the SRPT, guys? It's 1.5 risk unit. Who took the SRPT? And if not, if I don't see a lot of people here, it's a shame. Who took the SRPT? That's a trade you could actually put automatic order, and nobody took. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Why it was not fashionable, you know. This is kachingable. That's the formation you want to see. A little bit short squeeze, 20 cent. Now you're 150%. Like you risk, let's say, the 1,000 points, $1,000. You're 1,500 in the money. Looking amazing. You size it correctly, and the other that didn't took it. No excuse, guys. No excuse. Not excuse. Why? You always throw me. What about this? What about this? Those trades are really built pretty nice. And I'm saying it before even we took the partial, whatever. But oh, okay. I accept that, John, and I appreciate that even that you have a maximum loss for day. Um, Investigate this and let me know tomorrow. Because again, we are making mistakes, but the key you need immediately to find solution and apply it to your trading. So let me know tomorrow what was your solution and why. Because it's a pity, beginning of the trading day to close it. It happens, of course, but you should provide. Like you saw what happened to me with the THR. I have a really like playbook for the opening. Like I need to work like in a second. If not, I'm reducing and right and stop out. Exactly for that reason, I'm not letting myself to do the same that I can do maybe after an hour. Exactly. Okay, Videk. 'PTIX guys. Um, I'm gonna add, but this can be a new trade. Mm, Over 540. Stop. The trigger is 540. It's gonna be 30-cent stop. Okay. I'm talking about PTIX. I'm adding. Again, can be a new trade. TJR is not doing nothing yet. We talked about it, Buzak, yesterday. It's really depend on that type of stocks, like PLTR, because of the spread and everything, has to be mental because I can play, with the big stop, like in a few cents. SRPT, I have a 1 cent spread. I can actually put it in the system. Um, PTIX, I have it ready. I'm not clicking it. Hard stop, because of the spikes. But again, yeah, after the partial, definitely I'm doing because sometimes you can get really nasty bars. So, but again, I don't have problem to answer those questions again. It's fine. Bozak, it's depend where you put in your stop. I know I'm trading, I'm doing mentoring with students, and sometimes their stop is not correct. So it all start with where is your stop. SMR, it's doing something SMR or not? Yeah, I don't have nothing to do right now. I'm gonna follow it, but market is going to QQQ, close the gap, positive now, SPY towards that. HP, I don't know why you think it's a good trade. Uh, Look at the range of the stock today, 50 cents. What can I do with 50 cents? 21.40, 21.90. For me at least, I don't have nothing to do. PTX, guys, looking good. Well, 40 cents, 50 cents in the money. Looking good. What's the high? 620. What kind of 30 cents stop? So start to develop pretty nice. And again, this stock can go today. Look at the daily everywhere. 8, 10. Yeah, I'm not to exaggerate. Can happen. So for me it was add, but definitely it was. Here it is, guys. Well, towards 60 cents. Really good. Like it. Who took it, guys? PTX. Who is in that trade, guys? PTX. This is why when you see some resistance, meaning round number this, you throw an order. Like you got 1 to 2 there. You put 597, something like this, boom. And when you get spike like this and your order is already there with the limit, you get a partial. Beautiful, Roger. See why in all those small caps you need a stop. So instead of getting out for 25, if you didn't have stop, you almost double your lost here. When it's happen all the time. Market closed the gap. Now few red bars. So we need to see. Looking at CRWV. Under shit, here. I'm gonna buy it here, 25.20. Yeah, 25.20, which is basically around this level here. I'm gonna give it not more than 20 cents stop. Sorry, VKTX, not CRWV. Sorry. Okay, VKTX. I want to see us breaking 25. This is how VKTX looks in 15 minutes, which is really good. If we break in 25, we have the low 24.64, and then we have from yesterday 24.50, and then close the gap 24.34. Okay. Any question, guys? I don't see anything, so no sharing. VKTX is our last entry, 25.20. Stop is even less than 20 cents. I'm waiting to see if we can break the 25. Still here. Yeah, I see TGT. It's on my screen. Um, yeah, it's I don't know. There's no energy. Any question, guys? You want me to watch something? I think we have today two IPOs. Um, CPF. Let's see if it's um yeah, we can do. The first trade was green. Um, so pity it's not a bad idea. We can do the 1930 stop gonna be yeah like 15 cents. Yeah, I'm with you. Yeah, over 1930, 15 cents. Stop is under the VWAP. SoFi. Let me see. Thank you. Yeah, good for her. I couldn't. I couldn't see something at least at my perspective. About what, Humba? Ninja. Yeah, definitely, John. Oh, yeah. If you took it, yeah. Don't think that like I'm a wizard of Oz, you know. Everything I see through my perspective, the way I like, you know, the formation that catch my eyes, and that's what I'm saying. Even if you see something and it's full of something that you know, and even if what I'm saying, definitely you need to take it. Still waiting for SRPT above 30. SRPT guys getting close above 30 here. I'm gonna be here another 9 minutes. Tomorrow I'm gonna be here also. I think Agi's coming on Monday. Monday it's vacation, no? I think vacation Monday. Okay, SRPT. That's worth trading on Monday. It's a good bow in SoFi. Wow, it's a good bow. Thank you, Gymnastic. Nitzan, of course, Nitzan. Even though Gymnastic it's pretty good, no? There is some excited again in TAJI. 5. I'm trying to think about what to do here. We have some stop around 464. I'm thinking. What I'm going to do here is above 480 here, 82. I'm going to buy half position with 20 cent stop. and then I'm going to add here about 5. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. We have another another APM here. It's a small cap. I'm gonna buy it here, 319. Stop gonna be under 3. Yeah, that's my risk. Since we're getting towards lunch, you don't have to take it full position, but I mean, 20 cents stop. High of the day, 380, and daily. Wow, it's about the weekly. Okay, okay, SRPT, what we did, we got to almost 1 to 1 retest. Now I want to see if we can break 1944. So TAJR 480 start position, add above 5. I stop it in here, stop is 15 cents. And APM got in 320, 20 cents stop. And high of the day, who knows? So tomorrow I'm going to lead also. Monday, guys, Monday we have, you're not answer me. Do I have trading tomorrow, Monday? Or no? Let me see. Nasdaq vacation. Oh, yeah, no, yeah, we have. September 1st is the next one. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to be here, and I think Monday you're going to get your comeback, your quiet room. Okay. Maggie will lead it nicely, and I'm going to join you like twice a week. Okay. So again, if you don't have any questions, um, this is my email if you want to write me something and accept that. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.